The last section in chapter 13 is probabilities of mutually exclusive events. So we first need to understand what are mutually exclusive events before we can find the probabilities of them. And then we'll also find probabilities of what complements are. So what is a mutually exclusive event? A mutually exclusive event is two events that cannot happen at the same time. They have no outcomes in common. If you remember in the last section, we dealt with probability of independent and dependent events, where we dealt with the intersection of and this is where we multiplied probabilities. Now in this section, we're going to be dealing with the union, which is the or. This is where you're going to add probabilities. Before we get into the idea of finding probabilities, we're just going to see if we understand whether events are mutually exclusive or not. Remember, mutually exclusive is they cannot happen at the same time. Okay, so going over here, letter A junior winning the election or a senior winning the election. Well, I can't have a junior or a senior win at the same time, so that means these are mutually exclusive. Letter B, a sophomore winning the election or a female winning the election. Well, I could have a female sophomore win the election, which means that they do overlap, meaning these are not mutually exclusive. Last one, drawing an ace or a club from a standard deck of cards. Well, we have an ace of clubs, so that means these are not mutually exclusive. I misspelled that.